Good morning, traders. I have just taken a short position here. I've got the stop set to 49.23, and one of the unique things about the code is that if it hits the stop, it's going to be a long entry, and otherwise it's going to go down here. I've got it positioned here where one way or another I've got the trade. That's the way the code works. Anyway, I'll be right back and I'll show you this trade. By the way, this particular trade was called out in advance before it would even happen within my charting service about 10 hours ago. So what I'm doing here is I've got the code narrowed down to where it's a short entry here, or if it's going to hit this stop right here, it's going to be a long entry. So as soon as it hits the stop, I would take a long position into it and go for another trade there. One way or another, I'm going to hit this trade. Hopefully it will go down and not hit the stop. Otherwise I'll lose some ticks before I hit a trade. But one way or another, I'll still be able to make ticks. And it's all a matter of knowing how the code works. And I'm able to predict this, 10 hours in advance before it would even happen in my charting service. Anyway, I'll be back shortly to show you the progression, of course, the outcome of this trade. By the way, since the enemy of all people call what I'm doing a replay, even though they know that it isn't, but they'll call it anything that they need to call it to try to make it look like it's not legit or make it look like it's some sort of a scam, because they don't want people to know this information. I'm going to prove that it's not a replay by bringing up the world clock here, clicking on here, and you see that the time in Los Angeles right now is 8 o'clock in the morning, and the time here in Bangkok is 2200 hours. So 10 o'clock at night. 8 o'clock in the morning Los Angeles time, that's what you see right there. And the trade was taken at 7:54 a.m. And this is Pacific Standard Time, California time, Los Angeles time. So anyway, my point is that it's not a replay. Okay, I will be back to show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. By the way, this Thursday I'm starting my first mentoring program. It's on the website. You can sign up for it if you want. Otherwise, I will be holding another one next month, and in July. Probably going to hold it for 2 days next month. Also, by the way, I do have my office here in Bangkok now, and I'm still setting it up, getting it ready to go. I will be ready in July to start having people come from around the world and even here in Bangkok to come train with me in person. So that's going to be starting up in July, and then shortly thereafter that I'll start to do some seminars. But first I'm going to do some YouTube videos and show blown up on a big white screen that I can tell which direction any instrument will go, and then later I'll start doing seminars showing that as well. Okay, if it hits the stop here, I'm going to go long. Also, since I'll have my office, I'm also going to be breaking the code for many different instruments, code 1. And so this is going to be really super big for all of us. And we'll no longer even have to free trade the code anymore for code 1. We're going to be able to take precision level entries right into the different markets and at different times of the day when the markets are active, a European market, USA market, etc., and be able to trade around the clock, almost 24 hours per day in different time zones, taking different entries under different markets, and being able to literally make as much money as we want to make. I'll be offering that as a service soon, within 2 to 3 months. I need to train people to break the code for me, but they'll be able to do it. Okay, the trade has hit the stop there, so I'm going long here. I'm long now, and let me readjust the stop. I'll be right back. Okay, unfortunately I had to place a 39 tick stop on this thing. The stop is all the way down at 48.84, but unfortunately there's nothing I could do about that. Now that I know what the code is exactly for this week, which I do know at this point now, I'll be able to take a precision level entry tomorrow and Thursday and then Friday. That's how it works. I have to figure it out what it is for each week, and it takes me a day or two to figure it out. And I had it narrowed down from Monday, but here in Tuesday I didn't know for sure which what it was exactly, and now I do. So now it's just a matter of what's going to be my exit here. Let me see if I can calculate a good exit. I'll be right back. This is pushing it a little bit, but I'm going to go for a 40 tick exit on this thing. 49.63. I should be able to hit the 53, the 30 tick exit pretty easy. An extra 10 ticks is pushing it a bit, but I'm going to go for it. I think it can hit it. I called this trade to make this kind of a move before in my charting service, and let's see if it can get any. See if it can get bullish here and make a reversal move back up now. I think it can. The math on it isn't real super good. It's only about maybe 50%. But let's just see what it can do. See if it stretches out up there. If not, I'll take a smaller exit. I'll come back. I should be able to hit 30 ticks though. So I'm looking to get out around 30 to 40 ticks. I'll come back. Okay, just wanted to show really quick that it's starting to break out here. Got a ways to go though to the exit of 63. But we'll see if it can make it there for the 40 ticks. I'll come back. Okay, I've just gotten up in the morning here in Bangkok, and it's now 6:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, California. Still on Wednesday. I mean Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday, June 21st at almost 7 o'clock p.m. It's, for me though, it is Friday. Let's see. What is it? It's... Hang on a second. I'm sorry, this time thing has got me all messed up. It is Tuesday at 7 p.m. in California, and it's Wednesday here for me at 9 in the morning. So it's 9 o'clock in the morning for me. Let's go over to the world clock and you can see what it is. Okay, I'll bring it up here, world clock. Okay, so it is Los Angeles. It's 1901, which is 7:01 p.m. and here in Bangkok it is 9:01, which is 9:01 a.m. and my iPhone is saying it's Wednesday, June 22nd here, so it is June 21st in Los Angeles. So anyway, and you see it's 7 p.m. right there. So anyway, I just wanted to show that the trade was successful. I had to turn my back on the trade last night and go to sleep, and you know, since I know what the code is, I knew it would be successful, or let's put it this way, I had a very good idea that it would be successful. High mathematics. Anyway, so I'm gonna work on the charting now, get the charting done to predict what's gonna happen tomorrow for Wednesday, which is today for me, tonight for me, and so I'm going to go do the charting service now, and now I know exactly what the code is, and I'll be able to predict it with really good accuracy, so that tomorrow, Wednesday, I'll be able to take a precision level trade and hit it, you know, with almost 100% accuracy. Same thing with Thursday, same thing with Friday. So anyway, that's how the code works. It's very, very powerful, very, very effective. And the charting service is invaluable to traders, to any trader in the world that wants to trade oil. Doesn't work for anything other than oil, but I personally don't see any reason why to trade anything other than oil, because it's the best trading instrument that I know of, and it has a code 2 to it, which makes it extremely, extremely profitable. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I gotta get the charting service done and get some coffee. So I hope you traders are doing well. I hope you're being inspired by the codes. And for those of you who are code traders, I hope you are learning and progressing in your trading. In July, I will have my office set up and ready to go for those of you who want to come to Bangkok and train with me in person. Obviously, that's the best way to learn, but the videos are very good. And what I'm going to start doing is, I'm doing a mentoring program tomorrow for 6 hours. What I'm going to start doing is expanding that a little bit, make it maybe 2 or 3 days, and make it more of a training mentoring program, perhaps for next month. Anyway, I'm going to go. Hope your trader's doing well. Take care out there, and happy trading.